Reading her
So,
book.
हमें इसे स्टिक पे खाएं. Guys, look. ये खोले. And my sister made this.
Maybe there's something that you're allergic to?
No, maybe it's like
This is a strawberry flavor one. Homemade cookies. बनाने लगे. ये मेरे के Ramazan calendar खोल दिया.
Yeah.
Aisha, she's sucky है.
Yeah.
I'm like, she's sucky है. I'm like, do you think like, compared to last time we're more quiet?
Yeah.
All of us? Like, no, what are you talking about? And I'm like,
No,
sorry.
wait, do you actually think so?
I didn't notice
joking.
anything.
No, but I feel like because we were all eating. But we were talking in the car. and
No,
we were
I
like,
was
wait.
Like I didn't
I
know I was running around before and I didn't.
No,
get
I
to
was
eat.
just-
Of course, that was the first time we eat.
No, but also in the car were we not talking?
No, in the car we were.
We were talking.
Yeah,
about
but you told Aisha we actually were. When I was like, we would never talk without you. You're like, we actually weren't. And I was like, wait.
No, I
You
meant
were?
like I wasn't that much.
No, you were.
I was? Okay.
Rosa, whenever
Yeah,
you say
we
that,
were talking
it's never true.
No?
Yeah.
Whenever you say you don't talk.
Then I get worried what it is like to when you do talk.
No, I thought I was quieter than usual.
No, I felt like we were good. Maybe it was just
I think I was
everyone was
hepatitis.
talking.
Maybe Mila said I...
Are you barefoot on time?
Maybe Rosa, you weren't listening to us.
I listened to every word.
No, thank you.
That's why I was kind of confused. I was like, wait, what is she talking about?
Oh.
And now you said it to Aisha too.
But that was a joke. See what she said. No, I was gonna say
So should I put in brown sugar amount as white sugar?
Yeah.
Because it's saying half cup white sugar, 1 cup half brown sugar.
Oh, yeah.
Let's put 1 and a half white sugar.
I just do the. I
Okay,
just,
not
that
so
was a really
sweet.
good one. Chocolate. You guys want some?
2 eggs.
No, I'm okay.
2 eggs?
I'm gonna take
Sure,
out
yeah,
this
huh?
one real quick.
15 seconds, right?
You can have the cookie.
I'm not trying to be healthy. I'm trying to eat. I'm trying to have
And live your
the
life.
stuff we made.
Diamond.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys? I think I need one of these calendars. Your diamond
Oh,
toast.
with the butter. I know there's baking soda we need.
Oh, I do.
1 teaspoon.
The white chocolate.
They went like crazy for that. Because like everything was like Dubai chocolate this, Dubai chocolate that.
Everything was Oreo could be.
I know, I was actually
Yeah, it was
kinda
getting
annoyed.
too much,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I like the Biscoff one. This is a pistachio one.
Oh, do you, it's not good?
It's okay. But I'm not a fan of pistachio.
Yeah. Me neither. I wasn't like, it's good, but I don't love it. Like people go crazy for it.
2.5 cups all purchase flour.
Oh, my little bakers.
Is it ghetto that we're using?
No, it's cute. It's giving Betty Crocker. Yeah.
I love the bowl.
Yeah.
The girly.
Adding to it. And then I'll beat the eggs in after that.
I have that whisker thing. But I feel like
No, this is better.
No.
I always like.
Isn't the whisker better?
No.
No, I think this is easier.
Oh, my baby's clapping. What is that?
Hold it like a cheese. It's fine.
Hello.
No, it's on the butter.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, what do we do now?
And then beat in the vanilla and eggs one at a time. We don't need vanilla.
So instead of vanilla, I do honey or maple syrup.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
You can even do it without it,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Because there's so much sugar.
I didn't even know you could make cookies like that. I thought you needed the batter and everything.
No, we do have the butter. This.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The flour, right?
Okay, do we need a little bit of salt?
Did you say
baking
you don't know how to
powder?
break an egg?
I have baking soda.
Okay.
Baking soda 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon salt.
Just at the top right there?
The ring is so shiny.
1 teaspoon, right? Yeah. So 1 teaspoon baking soda.
Is it powder or soda?
Soda. 1 teaspoon salt, right? Yes. Combine the cream together with butter and sugar. Beaten with vanilla and eggs.
How many cookies did you make?
I think it's so cute that you and your dad were making something.
I was for the chicken that shape. So now they're just gonna harden, like darken on that shape. They're not gonna melt now.
Do you remember? Have you guys seen Brookie?
Wait, is this supposed to be 1 cup?
No, it's gonna be like 1.25 cups. Yeah, it's
Okay.
supposed to be 2.5 cups. Okay, so
Okay, so
mix
that's
it.
fine.
Yeah.
That's like 1 and.
No, I should do all the labor.
No, it's okay.
know.
I'm
Oh my
enjoying
gosh,
this.
you want me to do something?
No, I'm enjoying this.
We know that forced fake.
Remember when you were acting like a sauce here?
Like a what?
A sauce. Like a Pakistani drama sauce. I think that's 2.5. पहले ही नहीं mix हुआ.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
That is what it says. We did butter. We did
I can't even believe इसका रिश्ता
sugar,
कौन लेगा because हो चुका है.
eggs, not purpose for baking soda.
I see my mom slaving away down crying.
It's fun. This is I'm gonna ditch you guys for the baby now. आप लोग रख लोगे? No. The OGs. I'll tell you when it is.
Oh no, Hannah's coming.
Wow, why'd you laugh?
She's like, anything, just don't call me
No, that's actually your childhood, guys.
Yeah, it's just teasing you, Rocco.
I'm not.
First month of life, for sure.
I guess cookie dough is supposed to be like this.
Yeah, it is. It's always like this. But
I must
It's
have
not
really
like
traumatized you
Yeah.
guys in life. It's like everyone saw the eggshells with me.
no.
No.
We're not.
We're
fully making fun of it.
Yeah. I'll stir if you record me.
No, sorry, you're taking it now. You're gonna be in the thing.
Cute woman. Okay, sure. Let me do it now. No. I want to make my video.
So ये नाजरीन अब एक्टिंग होने वाली है. सारी मिक्सिंग तो मैंने किया, लेकिन चलो
नहीं
ट्राई कर लो.
ये इसको घर में
क्या किया आपने यही समझा दो.
नहीं कुछ नहीं.
नहीं कुछ नहीं किया. कुछ नहीं सही बात निकली.
No, I mean like ये घर में काम नहीं करती थी.
वो तो मैं वाकई में नहीं करती थी, लेकिन शादी के बाद
करते लिया है.
हाँ. You know better. You know better. Yeah.
I think just like a dab, but be
Yeah.
careful because it's open.
Yeah. Like, is it helping? Yeah, it should be better. It's literally just this though.
I'm not gonna lie, it was fun in theory. It was.
You guys literally didn't even do a thing.
I know.
Why is it so difficult for you? But it was fun in theory.
Yeah.
No, but at least I
Bachti
admit
aayi.
it. I know I did nothing. I watched.
Guys,
And I judged.
मैं म्यूट नहीं करनी चाहिए फिर ना क्यों?
We'll put some on top.
Yeah, no, you're right. It's just that I'm done mixing.
Oh, thanks. Looks good.
Yeah. Then you just make it into balls with like the corner and that.
So मैं fresh homemade cookie बना रही हूँ. Actually मैं watch कर रही हूँ वो बना रहे.
And also, just because Ramzan is over, doesn't mean you can start lying.
Yeah, no, रमज़ान खत्म हुआ था I put my music back on.
Okay, चलो.
Yeah, it's perfect.
I think we all did it. Let's not be hypocrites here.
Just wash that.
खिड़की से वो मुझे अपने घर ले आए हैं तो मैंने एक चीज खोल के देखी.
Rosa, you literally invited yourself over.
Yeah.
नहीं मैंने तरले कर रहे थे.
गाड़ ले आए.
ये ओके इन्होंने ढेर सारी मिल्क का क्यों रखी हुई है? इसमें भी मिल्क वाली है.
Sorry in advance, I didn't give that to her.
Oh, where should I put
Oh,
the butter?
ये भी सुबह है ये कोकोनट फ्लेवर. No, वो ये है. Wrap वाली है. Coconut. You want some, Preet?
Oh no.
It's so good. This one's coconut.
So they're mixed already?
So these ones, like this stuff, is like somebody put extra candies in there.
Oh.
But when it comes out of the packaging, it's like one of these.
Oh.
So far I've tried the Knaifa one, the coconut one, and उससे पहले भी मैंने एक चूसी थी ना strawberry.
You're not a fan of the strawberry.
Guys, this is the best thing we've invested from Dollarama.
Yeah, she'll do.
Oh, I can fold it. I'll wash my hands off. Was it too much oil? Here.
No, I think
That's easy for. That's a fun. Okay, क्या करना है? You have the foot fetish?
I'm not flattening it, right?
No.
No.
She has demanded attention.
Shona, baby.
Aw, mine is small.
We can even do that trick when they come out, where you do this and then it makes. You put a glass
Oh,
on
yeah.
top and then you make it
Yeah,
round.
before you let
I
them
think
dry,
Flora
right?
said do.
I don't understand.
So before you
I'm
let
gonna
it
make millions
like,
of these
unharden,
hands, 'cause you know how
as soon
people
as
have
you
foot
take it
fetish?
out, you
It's gonna be a hand
flip a
fetish.
glass over on top of it and then you just
Isn't
do
it a good
this,
thing though?
and then it takes the shape
Fetish?
of the.
Yeah.
Oh,
It makes it round.
No?
I'll show you a
They
picture.
do. They,
A video.
They like that for dirty stuff. Like
Oh,
fetish means
okay.
like,
No, never
like a
mind.
foot fetish is not like
Never.
that.
Not a
Guys,
good
this
thing.
is too small.
Then add more to it.
I don't want to end up having to eat two, you know? That's good. Why?
This is fine.
It is.
Yeah. Yeah, space for one more.
It's gonna make it.
Is this too small?
No.
I'll say, yeah.
Is it in space?
Yeah.
Should we get another tray?
I think it's.
merge over.
Yeah, I feel like they might.
They won't turn that big, like max.
But then they all like they all.
Okay, if we have another tray, yeah, we can.
This could be like a little mini cookie.
Don't put this. Maybe put this
I don't
with
know what
all
that
the
is.
rest. Yeah.
I'll be good. Do you want to get a video of this?
Yeah.
Okay, I think this one is too big.
Yeah.
दो करके डाल.
Yeah. Space it out.
So are we putting 2 trays in?
Yeah.
And we're gonna flatten them later. Or it's gonna flatten them. So this is actually cleaner than the ingredients they put in, because we actually have better, cleaner ingredients.
And then people do this. They just put like chocolate chips on top.
It's not eyeshadow.
And the funny thing is, the
What else?
teachers.
It's like the camera doesn't know that though.
That's
Oh my baby!
Okay, I'm making this one.
Make an F on it.
Oh, that's true.
Oh yeah, we should have done our initials. Yeah, do it on these. And then Farrah will do F on that.
Oh, we should all do A.
Yeah,
Oh, we all are A.
yeah, we could do that. And Anaya, the 5 A's.
Oh, the
Oh.
we actually ate with that.
I hope there's enough chocolate.
I think it looks not too bad.
Yeah. This one could be an A. Like.
Fine, I got my ass.
Guys, हम कहाँ गए? कभी अपना oil गिन रही है, कभी अपना
No.
हमाद भाई.
No, this is good.
आपकी बीवी आटा गिन रही है हमारे.
Guys, this is an A here.
There's an A here too.
Okay, so 2 A's.
Enough.
I have an ass.
I'm just too lazy.
Yeah, that's fine.
Does this look
I'll turn this into an A too.
Okay, fine. If you guys really want the A, let's just make the damn A's.
No, like it's fine. I think it was a
Can you guys tell me a joke?
No, we're not entertainers.
What we're
good?
doing?
You're watching it.
Yeah, literally.
That's the joke.
Lay down.
Okay, this is an A too. It doesn't look like one.
This
but-
is an A as well.
I'll be careful.
Yeah, it came out so nice.
बनाया होता तो पता नहीं क्या होता. Is this the
It's so good to me. मैं बना बना के एक दिन निकल आई हूँ, पतली हो गई हैं. Blue Rose Bakery coming 2026. Just joking. I think eventually they won't be.
When I know they say social media is fake, I'll just remember Rosa pretending to make these cookies.
What is she doing? What is Kayla doing? Is that for you?
No, I'm just gonna take, no, that one I'm gonna do at regular temperature. So, हमने बेबी घर के बिस्किट बनाए हैं. So nice. Amal bhai, you want a cookie? Waalaikum salam, क्या हाल है? वालेकुम। आपने कुकी खाने? परफेक्ट टाइमिंग। सो रहे थे आप?
नहीं मैं बस
हमारे भी खाते तो पता लग जाता है कि वो सो रहे हैं कि नहीं।
और ट्राई क्या लगे
बस ठीक ठाक, आप बताएं।
आई नो लेकिन एंजॉय करोगे यूरोप को, यूरोप
आप मिस करते हैं?
कैनेडा से बहुत अच्छा
अच्छा
कैनेडा बहुत बोर है यहाँ
अब तो जब कुछ करने को नहीं, आप वहाँ पे पुरानी बिल्डिंग ही देख के बंदा सारा कर देता है।
आई नो लेकिन
Also,
आप कहीं ना कहीं घूम कर आ
आप ही जा रहे हैं ना इस गर्मियों में?
समर्स में जाना, मैंने राशन में जाना है
इंशाल्लाह believe my time.
Mama, you want a cookie?
मैंने
मैं
भी
करूँ?
राशन में से दी
ओह, इट्स सो गुड। आपने खाया?
नहीं अभी नहीं, मैं भी खाता हूँ
ओह, बहुत
मैं
मजा।
पहले साल से मिल रहा हूँ, मैंने कहा फिर ना ऊपर
आराम से हाँ। चाय पीनी है?
नहीं अभी डिनर कर लूँगा
आप चाय नहीं पीते?
चाय पीता हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा दिन में
और कॉफी? और कॉफी भी नहीं पीते?
नहीं अभी भी नहीं पी
मामा, मैं आपको चाय पी रही हूँ आजकल।
अच्छा
एवरी डे कॉफी एंड रेगुलर दूध पत्ती, सारी मिक्स करके। What did you say? What did you say?
मुझे बुला दी ना
सारे ऑफर करने बनानी मुझे पड़ेगी।
That's what you said? Wow.
It's just a joke. Yeah, it's मजाक कर रही थी।
आपको पता है आपकी बीवी हमारे से पहले क्या कर रही थी? हम आपके घर में कुकिंग से क्या हमने बना ली, हमें आटा गिन गिन के दे दिया, इतना ना आटा यूज करो, मेरा इतना ना आटा यूज करो।
मैंने तो नहीं ऐसे किया। कसम से मैंने नहीं किया।
अच्छा, ऐसे किया उसने? हैं?
मुझे पता है
नहीं ऐसे किया। आप बीवी के बड़े सक्के हैं।
और आपके मौका पर क्या हाल है? ठीक ठाक है
I know they give you
आप
spoon.
सुनाइए।
बस सब ठीक ठाक
यहाँ पे आपके
मामा पापा इधर ही है, अभी कहीं गए हुए हैं या आदमी भी तो गए
उनके पास ज़्यादा सोशल लाइफ है।
They're a very social couple.
या
Yeah.
फिर ही रहते हैं
बहुत अच्छी बात है।
फैमिली इधर है ना, तो कभी किसी बहन की तरफ बोलते हैं, कभी कहीं पे कभी कहीं चले गए
उस हिसाब से आपकी अम्मी को तो इवन कनाडा बेटर लगा होगा।
It was actually her dream. उनकी बचपन की ड्रीम थी, she wanted to come.
बिकॉज़ वहाँ तो अकेले लेकिन सारी फैमिली
Happy time आपकी तारीफें हो रही है।
पसंद है कि यहाँ पे सारे मिलना जुलना लगा रहता है।
रौनक ईद पे रौनक।
So good, मैं बैठ के खाती हूँ।
हाँ वहाँ पे फैमिली
So ये मेरी कुकीज़ की बेइज्जती करने की कोशिश कर रही है। They're calling my cookies scones.
Or maybe she's just so tired that everything's entertaining her.
No, Rose was making her cry.
I didn't even do anything.